There's a sentence many parents hear too often. Don't pick the baby up. You're spoiling them. They're just manipulating you. But here's the truth. Babies do not cry to control you. They cry because it's the only language they have. And once you understand what baby cries actually mean, you'll never hear them the same way again. Let's be very clear. Manipulation requires planning, intent, understanding, cause, and effect. Babies have none of these. A baby's brain is not developed enough to manipulate. What is developed is their survival system. Crying is not strategy. Crying is communication. It's the body saying, something is wrong and I need help. Babies cry for one simple reason. Their nervous system is overwhelmed. That overwhelm can come from hunger, discomfort, fatigue, overstimulation, need for closeness. Babies don't cry because they want attention. They cry because they need regulation. They borrow calm from adults until they can regulate themselves. Not all cries are the same. A hunger cry often starts slow and rhythmic. A discomfort cry is sharper and more urgent. An overtired cry sounds strained and escalating. An overstimulation cry comes with turning away or stiffening. Babies communicate with patterns, not words. Listening closely matters more than reacting quickly. Here's something science is very clear about. Responding to a baby's cry does not make them dependent. It makes them secure. When a baby learns, when I call, someone comes, their nervous system relaxes. Security doesn't create neediness. It creates confidence. A baby who feels safe now becomes a child who explores later. This is important and often misunderstood. Ignoring cries doesn't teach independence. It teaches resignation. The baby doesn't stop needing. They stop signaling. The body learns, my needs don't bring comfort. This doesn't create strength. It creates stress stored in the nervous system. Babies cannot calm themselves. They rely on co-regulation, your voice, your arms, your presence. This is not weakness. It's biology. Just like babies need help walking, they need help calming. Regulation is learned through relationship. Baby cries teach us something uncomfortable but powerful, that emotions are not problems to fix. They're signals to respond to. Babies remind us that connection comes before control, and that compassion is not indulgence. It's development. So the next time a baby cries, don't ask, how do I stop this? Ask instead, what is this baby asking for? Because every cry is a request, not a demand. If you want more gentle, science-based understanding like this, if you want to see babies not as problems, but as communicators, follow this page. Here, we don't silence babies. We listen.